Again, this is a 2016 Peterbilt 579. This truck has a 450 horsepower ISX Cummins engine in it. 10-speed transmission. 40,000 rears with 370 gear ratio. They have been replaced. The truck has 500,009 miles on it. 24,924 hours. Not sure if any engine work has been done to the truck. Runs great. There's no blow-by that I can see. Doesn't hesitate. There's no check engine lights on. It's actually regenning right now, or it was regenning when I was doing the video on the engine. So everything seems to be good. They're running the truck. They're changed directions on what they're doing, trucking. So that's the reason why they're getting rid of these trucks. Nothing wrong with them. They just have too many trucks and figured they'd get rid of some of them that they don't need right now. The truck has power windows. Seems like power windows work. This side. Power mirror on this side works. Power window on that side works. Try the mirror. So I'm not getting the power mirror on that side to work. Does look like there's a little chip in that mirror. It does have mirror heat. And then of course it has power locks. This has the curtain that goes the whole way around the cab, so you have extra room, not just in the sleeper, which makes it nice. Have your radio controls on your steering wheel, along with your cruise control. Engine brake right here. Manual auto engine fan. With the air conditioning and heater works fine. AC is on right now and it's blowing cold. It does have the auto function you can use. I have it on 60 right now. Hit auto, it just picked up speed. So that's good. You see the oil temp. Over here, we've got the oil pressure. Of course, our air gauges on this side over here are coolant. Can't see with my hand in the way. And then our fuel and def. Again, this has full emissions on the truck. Try the wipers really quick. Wipers work good. Not getting anything in the spray. Again, it might be that it's out of fluid. So not sure, but yeah. So turn signals. Try to spray one more time. So, not sure if it has spray in it and it's just not pumping, or if it's out of fluid.